Aloha guys, it's a hot sunny day in Barbados. As a matter of fact, it's hot in the Caribbean. It's summer all year round. And today I'm going to be showing you how I came up with my own concoction of making a rum punch cocktail. I have fruits in my refrigerator, I have some rum, I have some other beverages, and I decided mix them and see what the flavor is gonna be like. So once I came up with that good flavor, guys, I've decided to bring this recipe to you. And kindly please watch my ads because it is going to help to upkeep my YouTube channel. And don't you forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up. Alright, so here I have some strawberries. I did wash them thoroughly and I'm going to chop them up. Feel free to chop up your strawberries into any size and shapes. I also have some peaches. Wash them, peel them, and chop them up. And let me tell you, I'm going to be using Clayton's Kola Tonic into my beverage. It is something that you can mix with gin, rum, beer, and even, many other beverages. It has an earthly taste and it's zero proof tonic, guys. So you need to try Kola Tonic. Once I put Kola Tonic into my mixture, I call it a cocktail. All right. So once I finish prepping everything, I'm going to show you what my outside looks like. It's extremely hot outside and I'll be sitting on my patio, guys, to take a sip of my rum punch cocktail today. And another thing, I'm living close to the airport. As you can see, a little plane is leaving there now. So if you're gonna planning your trip to Barbados, hit me up on time. Let me know long before so that I can sit on my patio and watch when that plane lands or watch when it taxi off. You know what I mean? So I can come get you. Let's sip some rum punch cocktail. All right, so enough of that. Let's start by putting our rum punch cocktail together. What I'm going to be doing is using my mason jar as a form of measurement. So I'm going to pour some cranberry cocktail juice into my mason jar, along with some orange juice. And at this time, we're going to be using some Diamond Gold Guyana Brown Rum. Feel free to use any type of rum, all right? This is my country's brand. Then I'm going to use some Claytons Kola Tonic, like I was saying earlier. It has an earthy taste. It's a zero proof tonic. So into my Lennox punch bowl, yes guys, I'm using my Lennox punch bowl today. I add my chopped peaches and my strawberries. Then I'm going to add some simple syrup. The simple syrup brings in a little, kind of sweetness to it, not much. And like I said, this is my version, guys, so you just add your stuff and taste as you go. Give it a nice little stir, then I'm going to add 1 cup of Diamond Gold Rum. You can also use some brandy, you can use some gin, whatever you want into yours. I'm also going to add 1 cup of Clayton's Kola Tonic, along with the cranberry juice and the orange juice. At this time, you can simply scale up the measurements to fit your punch bowl and add some slices of fresh fruit, any type of fresh fruits I mean. All right, so once this is done here, you just give it a nice little mix. Place it into the refrigerator. Once it's all chilled and nice, then it's time to serve. Bear in mind, guys, these fruits in here is going to absorb the rum, all right? So you're not going to taste too much of that rum taste in the liquid. It's in the fruits, so you need to be extremely careful when you're chewing on them. Never mind, once we serve them, chill and nice, you're going to enjoy them. And you know that your punch bowl does not have a cover, so if you have any leftover, feel free to put it into a container that has a tight seal on it. Pop it into the refrigerator. Keep it for as long as 2 days. That's because it has fresh fruits in it, all right? So yes, here we have our rum punch cocktail. Give it a try. Leave me a comment. Have a beautiful weekend. Don't get too high now. All right, so enjoy. See you soon.